Okay, guys, so we're here to do another Christmas DIY today. And so we're going to use this silver pan that I got right here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to use this wall art that I got from Dollar General, just $1. And of course, our plaster by Waverly chalk paint. And these brushes here, I wanted to show you guys. I picked up from Michael's. They're 72 piece. It was $9.99. And Michael's had actually sent me a 40% off coupon, which I haven't received in forever. So I used that to get these. So what we're going to do, we're going to paint this pan front and back using these brushes here. I'm going to see how they work. I'm hoping they're just as good.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
It's the Dollar Tree ones. So, okay, you guys. So here we have our pan is dried. We're going to take our wall art now, and we're just going to open it up. And it's very, very simple. There's no glue needed or anything. No hot gun. And we're just going to take our art, and we're just going to take it off. And it's already sticky, and we're just going to place it right here. And so you can just place your words, your sayings, any which way you want to. It's up to you. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place them all down and be back once it's completed. Okay, so this is our completed item. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to take this holiday red paint, and I'm just going to go around the edges of the pan, just around the edges, to give it some color. Okay, to give it some color. So we're going to use this holiday red. I think it's by Craft Smart that I got this from Michael's. Craftmate, whatever they call. And so you're just going to take a little bit, put it on your brush, and just go around your edges just like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go around the edges all the way around. I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me. I'll be back once it's finished and dried. Okay, so now I've painted the edges. Everything is dry. And so now I have my piece of ribbon. This is ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree. And these are some pine cones that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby on their 40% off day. Oh, I think it was 50% off. And so I didn't realize that they was on a stem. And the stem is very, very tight. So I don't know if I'm going to actually be bothered using this right now or not. Because it's a lot of twisting. It's a lot of twisting. You see how I'm struggling? Trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. So let me just see. Let me just see how it's even going to look on there. I think it'll be cute. Now I just need to figure out how I am going to get this off of here. Well, I don't know. Let's go back ahead and get our hanger hung on here. Now, I did want to use it in twine. I wanted to keep it all flowing in the Christmas spirit. So what you're going to do is just cut your ends off as long as you want on your ribbon. Take your hot glue gun and put a little glue. Now, you must be careful because you know that hot glue is hot. This ribbon is thin and you can still burn your hand. Yeah, I felt a little heat. I did. So just flip it over. And you're going to place your ribbon on the back side so you can hang it up. Just like that. Just take your hot glue And just put the hot glue down where you want to place your ribbon. And hold it down, but also be careful because it's hot. Also, remember, it's hot. So you do like me, I just use something to help hold it down. Yeah. So now we've got our ribbon on there. So once again, I'm trying to decide, am I going to go back to these berries? I think they're so cute though. Yeah, I think I'm going to use them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist them loose as much as possible. And then I'm just going to, I think, just cut it off. Because I don't need the whole stem anyway. So that's what we're going to do. Just cut it off. Take your hot glue. And we're going to just put the hot glue where we need it to go. And I think it gave it a little flavor. I like the way they look. I love these little berry things. They're so cute. I gotta get back to Hobby Lobby and get some more before they're all gone. So I had that one, but I felt like it was maybe a little bit too small. So I'm gonna just find another piece that almost the same size as my first one and use it. This is the only way I know how to use them is just twist them loose as much as possible. So I'm going to cut that one off like I did the other ones. And see, yep, that looks good. Looks good. I'm going to take a hot glue and we're going to just put it down. There we go. And hold it down, make sure it sticks. I just love the way it's turning out. Love the way. So, okay, guys, here's our final product. I think it turned out so cute. I can just see this in someone's kitchen for the holidays. Somebody that really likes to bake. I'm not a baker, but it's for somebody that loves to bake. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so you always know when I upload a new video. And until the next one, guys, bye.